if it was a normal day, I don't think we should be here right now. The young man was very jovial. Actually, he secured some recordings when the young guy was trying to tell her mother that he was so excited that he got a job from the DJ, and once he's done with the job, we want to buy his brother some clothing before he proceeds for some work in the car. So I don't find it a normal thing.
So the question was, as we conclude this inquest, which questions would you want to be answered by this inquest pertaining to what transpired, please?
The only question I'd want answered is, I just want to know what transpired. Because the death occurred, I just want to know how.
My colleagues will ask you some questions.